Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you looking for your next fun, simple thing that will make your life a lot happier? Then you need these socks from Corlap. This is a box full of 5 pairs of socks that will absolutely make your day every time you wear them. Each of the socks has a super cute heart on them and it's displayed on both of the socks. The socks are ankle height and they're super comfy to wear. They're made with all cotton, making them soft and breathable so that they're comfy even with sneakers. I really like that the socks each have a different color and it comes in a really cute box. This would be such a cute gift to give someone because it's super fun, and really, who doesn't wear socks? The socks have that ankle height on each of them and it fits snugly around your ankle, and the rest of the sock, as I mentioned, is breathable and just really fun to wear. The socks are easy to wear, whether you're just wearing them around the house, if you're wearing them with slippers, with sneakers, under boots. Really, the possibilities are endless. And the best part is that every time I wear them, I see that super cute, adorable heart, making them really fun to wear. It's such a simple thing, but yes, socks can make you feel really happy, especially if you go with this set. But that's just my point of view.